Coordinators are the unsung heroes of any successful organization. They are the glue that holds everything together. They ensure smooth operations across departments. Coordinators thrive on organization, communication, and problem solving. They are masters of multitasking. Their role is crucial for efficiency and productivity. A skilled coordinator possesses a unique blend of hard and soft skills. They are adept at managing tasks, time, and resources effectively. They excel at communication, both written and verbal. Their ability to collaborate with diverse teams is essential. Coordinators are adaptable and thrive in fast-paced environments. The impact of a coordinator's work extends across all levels of an organization. They facilitate communication between departments. This ensures everyone is on the same page. They play a crucial role in project management. Their efforts contribute to meeting deadlines and achieving goals. In essence, coordinators are the backbone of a well-functioning organization. Their dedication and attention to detail enable others to focus on their core responsibilities. A strong coordinator is an asset to any team. Their contributions are invaluable for achieving organizational success. Communication is the lifeblood of effective coordination. Clear and concise communication is paramount. Regular updates keep stakeholders informed. Coordinators must excel at conveying information. This includes phone calls and meetings. Active listening is equally important. Ambiguity leads to misunderstandings. Mastering communication fosters transparency and trust. Effective communication is the cornerstone of successful coordination. Organization is the backbone of a coordinator's role. They juggle multiple tasks and deadlines simultaneously. A systematic approach is essential to stay on top of everything. This includes prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance. Coordinators rely heavily on tools like to-do lists, calendars, and project management software. These tools help them track deadlines, delegate tasks, and monitor progress. Effective time management is crucial for meeting deadlines. Prioritization is key to staying organized. Coordinators must identify critical tasks and allocate sufficient time for completion. They also need to be flexible and adapt to changing priorities. By maintaining a structured approach to their work, coordinators ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Their organizational skills contribute significantly to the smooth running of projects and initiatives. Problem solving is an inherent part of a coordinator's daily life. Unexpected challenges are inevitable. Coordinators need to think on their feet and find solutions quickly. Anticipating potential roadblocks is crucial. By foreseeing issues, coordinators can develop contingency plans. This proactive approach minimizes disruptions and keeps projects on track. When problems arise, coordinators need to analyze the situation calmly. They gather information, identify the root cause, and explore potential solutions. Resourcefulness and quick thinking are essential in these situations. Effective problem solving requires strong analytical and critical thinking skills. Coordinators must be able to assess situations objectively and make sound decisions under pressure. This ability to navigate challenges is what sets exceptional coordinators apart. Collaboration is at the heart of successful coordination. Coordinators work closely with individuals and teams across various departments. Strong interpersonal skills are essential for building positive working relationships. Flexibility is another crucial attribute. Plans change, priorities shift, and unexpected situations arise. Coordinators need to adapt quickly and adjust their approach accordingly. The ability to work effectively within a team is paramount. Coordinators often facilitate communication and cooperation between team members. They need to be able to motivate others, delegate tasks efficiently, and foster a positive team environment. By embracing collaboration and flexibility, coordinators ensure smooth workflows and efficient operations. Their ability to work seamlessly with others is essential for achieving shared goals. Coordinators play a vital role in ensuring customer satisfaction. They may interact directly with clients, or their work may indirectly impact the customer experience. A customer-centric approach is crucial. Understanding client needs is paramount. Coordinators should strive to anticipate and exceed expectations. This may involve providing regular updates, addressing concerns promptly, and going the extra mile to ensure satisfaction. Building strong relationships with clients is essential. Coordinators should focus on establishing rapport and maintaining open lines of communication. By fostering a positive and responsive relationship, coordinators contribute to client loyalty and repeat business. In essence, a customer-centric approach should permeate every aspect of a coordinator's work. By prioritizing client needs and satisfaction, coordinators contribute to a positive brand image and strong customer relationships.